Congratulations, Dato Jimmy Choo, on the Bella Mars Awards. Yes, boy power.
Boy power, Hans. I don't think boy power will become a thing. Do you think it will become a thing? Now, girl power. Now, that's a thing. Yeah?
I just said one woohoo. Had a bit more of a woohoo from the women. Woohoo? No?
Woo! Girl power.
Well, it's Spice Girls, you know.
Yeah.
Which brings us now, it's just perfect, because the next award is all about girl power. The power of women to affect change.
And here to present that award, we have the beautiful Aisha Sinclair and the dashing Owen Yap.
Well, this award is for the women who stand up for what they believe in.
The woman who sees what the world should be like and fights to make it so.
Whether we know those women or not, we all have a reason to thank them and honor them. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for the Bella Heart Award are
Dato Ruby Khong,
Dr. HARTINI ZAINUDIN,
POESY LIANG,
the late SABRINA,
YASMIN RASHID. Okay, I must say this must have been a very difficult award to choose a winner for, because all of the ladies who have been nominated have done amazing jobs. But still, the person who's going to take home this award is Dato Ruby Khong.
Congratulations, Dato Ruby Khong.
Well, what a pleasant surprise. Let me begin by saying how happy and honored I am to be standing here in front of such distinguished guests and nominees of all categories. I'm honored, yet I'm humbled to be recognized for what little I've done. This is not a recognition of my work alone, but all those who have contributed their time, effort, and financial support. We're blessed to be living in a beautiful country like Malaysia, where charity is in the mass consciousness of many. If I were to mention the names of all the men, women, and corporations who have made charity part of their social responsibility mandate, we'll be here for a very long time. So this coveted award represents every woman who has contributed towards the betterment of our society. And I'd like to thank my spiritual guide, Sam Rinpoche, for giving me the courage and guidance to step out of my comfort zone into uncharted territories to serve the homeless and the urban poor. And lastly, I would like to thank MTV7 for believing in me. Thank you all.
Celebrating women in all their sparkling glory, the Bella Awards will be right back with Nasha Aziz, the heartthrob Marcel, and Ronan Keating.